This is a 1954 Dodge Royal two-door sedan. Royal was a new series in 1954, and they all had V8s, as this one does. Notice the really classy wire wheels there. Nice shade of green here, and the color matched interior. Pull type door handles. And notice the fin, the beginning of a fin there on the rear quarter. Big wraparound back window. Good vision out of this car. I'd say they're original type upholstery materials. Very classy. Two-tone dash. Notice the radio. We've got an under dash air conditioner too, and there's Powerflite. It's controlled by the gear shift linkage, 2-speed automatic. I do believe it's the first year for that in Dodge. And that air conditioner doesn't have the Mopar name on it, but it might have been installed by the dealer, I don't know. So this would have been a nice car to take a trip in. There's that little chrome fin there, a sign of things to come, and a pretty roomy trunk, complete with the spare and wheel cover. Manuals. There's the gas filler cap there. And a backup lamp on that side. And they like to advertise it has a V8 and also that it has Powerflite. Dodge was the car, the big car at Indy 500 this year. It was the pace car. So they were getting some recognition. That V8 was a big thing for Dodge. And of course the Ram on the hood.